Hello friends, welcome back to i-TUTOR NCERT series. So today we are going to discuss about the final chapter of 6th class Geography NCERT, India, Climate, Vegetation and Wildlife. First, let's discuss about weather. What is weather? Weather is about day-to-day changes in the atmosphere. So it's a day-to-day change in our atmosphere. It's called weather. It includes changes in temperature, rainfall and sunshine, etc. For example, as such, it may be hot or cold, sunny or cloudy, windy or calm. You must have noticed that when it is hot continuously for several days, you don't need any warm clothing, isn't it? So, you also like to eat or drink cold things. In contrast, there are days together you feel cold without woolen clothes when it is very windy and chilly. You would like to have something to hot that time, something hot to eat that time. So in India, we are classified the major season as cold weather season, hot weather season, southwest monsoon and season of rotating monsoon. So let's discuss. First one is cold weather season or winter season. It's from December to February, that is December, January and February. This time is mainly called cold weather season. And second one is hot weather season, that is summer, that is from March to May. Then southwest monsoon season, that is mainly rainy season, June, July, August and September. These months are rainy in India. And last one is season of rotating monsoon or autumn. This is October and November. Now look at the first one, cold weather season or winter. During the winter season, the sun rays do not fall directly in the region. Okay, so in this winter season, the sun rays do not fall directly. Okay, the sun rays do not fall directly in the region. As a result, the temperatures are quite low in northern India. Okay, so during the winter season, the sun rays do not fall directly in the region. So as a result, the temperatures are very low in that area. So that's called cold weather season or winter season. It's from December, January and February. Okay. The second one is hot weather season or summer. Okay. As the name denotes, in the hot weather season, sun rays more or less directly fall in this region. Okay. That is, the sun rays are directly fall in the region. So what happened? The temperature become very high. And in this time or in that period, hot and dry winds. Okay. Hot and dry winds called lu blow during the day. Okay. So in that period, there is a wind or there is a hot wind blow on the during the daytime, that is called lu. Okay. So next one is southwest monsoon season or rainy season. This season is marked by the onset and advance of monsoon. The winds blow from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal towards the land. They carry moisture with them. When these winds strikes the mountain barriers, rainfall occurs. Okay, so this is called a southwest monsoon, okay, or rainy season. The season is marked by the onset and advance of monsoon. The winds blow from Arabian Sea, okay, the winds blow from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. This towards the land. They carry moisture with them, okay. So these winds strike the mountain barriers and it causes for the rainfall. Now, the last one is season of rotating monsoon or autumn. Winds move back from the mainland to the Bay of Bengal. So in this time, the winds move back from the mainland and it go back to the Bay of Bengal region. This is the season of rotating monsoon. The southern part of India, particularly Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, receive rainfall in this season. Okay. Now, moving forward. However, the climate is about the average weather condition which have been measured over many years. So first we discussed about the weather. What is weather? Weather is the day-to-day changes. But climate is a long term or it's an average weather condition of a long term, okay, measured over many years. The climate of India has broadly been described as monsoon type. So our Indian climate is described as monsoon type. Monsoon is taken from the Arabic word mausim, which means season. Okay. So first we discussed about weather. What is weather? Weather is the day-to-day temperature, and what is climate? The weather condition of a place or weather condition of a particular place or measured over many years. So that is called climate. and the Indian climate is called monsoon type. Okay. Now, monsoon type. Now, due to India's location in the tropical region, most of the rain is brought by monsoon winds. Okay, due to the location of India, that is a tropical region. That is India located in the tropical region. So, most of the rain is brought by the monsoon winds. Agriculture in India depends on rain. Okay, mainly our agriculture are depend on the monsoon. Good monsoon means adequate rain and beautiful crops. Now, the climate of a place is affected by its location, altitude, distance from the sea and relief. Okay, so the climate of a place or climate of a region is affected by what are the things affected? First one is location, then altitude, then distance from the sea and the relief. Okay, so these are the factors affecting the climate of a place. Therefore, we experience regional differences in the climate of India. For example, Jaisalmer and Bikaner in the desert of Rajasthan very hot. Okay, so these places in Rajasthan are very hot, while Dras and Kargil in Jammu and Kashmir are freezing cold. Okay, so we experience regional difference in the climate. Okay, in Rajasthan we experience a hot climate, but at the same time in Jammu and Kashmir we experience very cold climate. Coastal places like Mumbai and Kolkata experiences moderate climate. Okay, normally the coastal places experiences moderate climate. They are neither too hot nor too cold. Okay, because of the presence of ocean or sea. Being on the coast, these places are very humid. Okay, so being near the coast or being on the coastal place, these places are very humid. Now, Mizoram in Meghalaya receives the world's highest rainfall. Okay, so Mizoram in Meghalaya is the Meghalaya receives the world's highest rainfall. But at the same time, a particular year it might not rain in Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. Okay, so at the same time, Jaisalmer receive no rainfall. Okay, so that is the regional differences in India. Now moving forward, natural vegetation. We see a variety of plant life in our surroundings. How nice is to play with the field with the green grasses. There are so small plants called bushes and shrubs. Okay, small plants called bushes and shrubs like cactus and flowering plants, etc. Besides, there are many tall trees, some with many branches and leaves like neem, mango, or some which stand with a few leaves such as palm. Okay, you may have seen this. The grasses, shrubs, and trees which grow on their own without interference or help from human beings are called natural vegetation. So what is called natural vegetation? The grasses, shrubs, and trees which grow on their own without interference. Okay, grow on their own without interference or help from human beings. Okay, so there is no need of human help. Okay, so that they are called natural vegetation. Okay. Now, due to varied climatic conditions, India has a wide range of natural vegetation. Okay, so due to varied climatic condition, okay, we already discussed about the region-based climatic condition. So due to this varied climatic condition, India has a wide range of natural vegetation. Vegetation of India can be divided into 5 types. Okay, so the Indian vegetation can be divided into 5 types. The first one is tropical evergreen forest. Okay, the first one is tropical evergreen forest, or it's also called a tropical rainforest. Then second one is tropical deciduous forest. Next one is thorny bushes. Then mountain vegetation, and the final one is mangrove forest. Okay, so these are the 5 different types of vegetation in India. Okay, let's look first one, tropical rainforest. What are the characteristics of tropical rainforest? Tropical rainforest occurs in areas which receive heavy rainfall. Okay, the first point is heavy rainfall. So if a tropical rainforest, there is in the tropical rainforest, it's a heavy rainfall. Then they are so dense. Okay, so they are so dense, and sunlight doesn't reach the ground. Okay, so these are the characteristics. Remember these things. Many species of trees are found in this forest, which shed their leaves at different times of the year. Okay, so they do not shed their leaves at a particular time, rather they shed their leaves at different times. Okay, they shed their leaves at different times of the year. So therefore they always appear green in color. Okay, so therefore they always appear green in color, and that's why they are called evergreen forest. Okay, so what are the points? First one is they receive heavy rainfall. So second one is they are dense and the sunlight does not reach the ground. Then the third point is they shed their leaves at different times of the year, not particular time. They shed their leaves at different times of the year, and therefore they are always appear green in color, so are called evergreen forest. Okay, so these are the important points about the tropical rainforest. Now, the main trees or important trees found in this forest are, first one is mahogany, then ebony and rosewood. Okay, mahogany, ebony, rosewood. So these are the main trees found in tropical rainforest. Now, Andaman and Nicobar. Okay, Andaman Nicobar Islands. Okay, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, part of northeastern states. Okay, part of northeastern states, and a narrow strip of western slope of the Western Ghats. Okay, narrow strip of western slope of Western Ghats. They are the home of this forest. Okay, so tropical rainforest, what are the characteristics? First one is heavy rainfall. They receive heavy rainfall. Then second one is dense, so the sunlight does not reach the ground. Third one is they shed their leaves at different times of the year. Then fourth one is they always appear green and are called evergreen forest. Now the important trees found in this forest are mahogany, ebony, rosewood. And the places where tropical rainforest seen are Andaman Nicobar, northeastern states, and a narrow strip of western slope of the Western Ghats. Okay, so that's all about the tropical rainforest. Now second one is tropical deciduous forest. Okay, in our country or in India, the large part of our country have this type of forest. Okay, in India, large part of our country, this type of forest can be seen. Okay, now these forests are also called monsoon forest. Okay, these forests are also called monsoon forest. They are less dense. They shed their leaves at a particular time. Okay, they shed their leaves at a particular time. Okay, note this point, because that's why. Okay, so these are called deciduous forest. Okay, because they shed their leaves at a particular time, so they can't be seen as evergreen, so it's called deciduous forest. Now important trees. First one is sal, teak, peepal, neem, shisha. Okay, so these are the important trees found in this forest. Now they are mainly found in Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and part of Maharashtra. Okay, so tropical deciduous forest, these are large part of our country have these types of forest. And second point is these are also called monsoon forest. They are less dense. And last point is they shed their leaves at a particular time. Okay, now the important trees are sal, teak, peepal, neem, and shisha. Then they found in Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and in parts of Maharashtra. Okay, now third one is thorny bushes. This type of vegetation is found in dry areas. Okay, so these thorny bushes are seen in the dry areas. The leaves are in the form of spines. Okay, the leaves are in the form of spines. For why? To reduce the loss of water, because it's hot area, it's dry area, so the plants need to reduce the water loss. So that's why the leaves are in the form of spines. Cactus, khair, babul, kikar are important trees. Okay, so what are the important trees or what are the important plants in the thorny bushes area? First one cactus, then khair, babul, kikar. These are the important plants, and they are mainly found in the western states like Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, and also eastern slopes of Western Ghats and Gujarat. Okay, eastern slopes of Western Ghats and Gujarat. We already discussed about the tropical rainforest, it is seen in the western slope of Western Ghats. Okay, but thorny bushes are seen in the eastern slopes of Western Ghats. Okay, don't make confusion. Now, mountain vegetation. A wide range of species is found in the mountain according to the variation in height. Okay, so there is a wide range of species found in the mountain according to the variation in height. With increase in height, the temperature falls. Okay, we know the temperature with increase in height, the temperature falls. Okay, they are not directly proportional. Okay, they are inversely proportional. Now, at a height between 1500 meter and 2500 meter, most of the trees are conical in shape. Okay, so at a height between 1500 meters and 2500 meters, most of the trees are in conical shape. These trees are called coniferous trees. So, due to this shape, they are called coniferous trees. Chir, pine, deodar are important trees of this forest. Okay, so that's about the mountain vegetation. Now, the final one is mangrove forest. These forests can survive in saline water. Okay, so they have an important characteristics what they can survive in saline water, that is salt water. They are found mainly in Sundarbans in West Bengal. Okay, Sundarbans in the West Bengal region. Sorry. Okay, they can be seen in the Sundarbans in West Bengal and in Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay, so this forest or mangrove forest can mainly seen in the Sundarbans in West Bengal and Andaman Nicobar Island. Sundari is a well-known species of trees in mangrove forest, after which Sundarbans have been named. Okay, so that's why the name Sundarbans. Now, why are forests necessary? This is some conclusion parts. Let's read it. Forests are very useful for us. They perform various functions. Plants release oxygen that we breathe and absorb carbon dioxide. The roots of the plants bind the soil. Thus, they control soil erosion. Forests provide us with timber for furniture, fuel, wood, fodder, medicinal plants and herbs, then lac, honey, etc. So, the forests provide many things for the humans. Forests are the natural habitat of wildlife. Okay, so they protect also the wildlife. Natural vegetation has been destroyed to a large extent because of reckless cutting of trees. Okay, this is because of the human action, reckless cutting of trees. We should plant more trees and protect the existing ones and make people aware of the importance of trees. We can have special programs like One Mahotsav, okay, and to involve more people in making our earth green. Okay. Now let's discuss about the wildlife. Wildlife in India. We already discussed that forests are home to a variety of wildlife. There are thousands of species of animals and a large varieties of reptiles, amphibians, mammals, birds, insects and worms which dwell in the forest. The tiger is our national animal. Okay, so we consider tiger is our national animal. It is found in various parts of the country. Gir forest in Gujarat is the home of Asiatic lions. Okay, now elephants and unhorned rhinoceros roams in forest of Assam. Elephants are also found in Kerala and Karnataka. Camels and wild asses are found in the Great Indian Desert and the Rann of Kutch respectively. So camels are found in the Great Indian Desert and wild asses are found in Rann of Kutch. Wild goats, snow leopards, bears, etc. are found in the Himalayan region. So beside these, many other animals are found in our country such as monkey, wolf, jackals, nilgai, cheetah, etc. Okay, so that's all about the wildlife. First one is about the lion. Gir forest in Gujarat is the home of Asiatic lions. Then elephants and unhorned rhinoceros are roam in the forest of Assam. And elephants are also found in Kerala and Karnataka. Now camels are found in Indian desert and wild asses are found in the Rann of Kutch region. Also the wild goats, snow leopards, bears, etc. are found in Himalayan regions. Okay, now moving forward. India is equally rich in bird life. Okay, we already discussed about the flora and fauna. Now about the bird life. The peacock is our national bird. The tiger is our national animal and peacock is our national bird. Other common birds are parrots, pigeons, myna, geese, bulbul and ducks. There are several bird sanctuaries which have been created to give birds their natural habitat. These provide the birds protection from hunters. There are several hundreds of species of snakes found in India. Cobras and kraits are important among them. Okay, so cobras and kraits are important snakes in India. Due to cutting of forests and hunting, several species of wildlife of India are declining rapidly. Many species have already become extinct. In order to protect them, many national parks, sanctuaries, and biosphere reserves have been set up. The government has also started Project Tiger and Project Elephant to protect these animals. Okay, do you know what is Project Tiger and Project Elephant? Just find it. Now, every year we observe Wildlife Week in the first week of October to create awareness of conserving the habitat of animal kingdom. Okay, now moving forward, the last part of our chapter, migratory birds. Some birds such as pelican, Siberian crane, stork, flamingo, pintail duck and curlew migrate to our country in the winter season every year. So some birds like pelican, Siberian crane, stork, flamingo, pintail duck and curlew, they are migrate to India or migrate to our country in the winter season every year. So every year they came to India in the winter season. Siberian cranes migrate from Siberia. Okay, so they are migrate from the Siberia area. That means they travel a long distance. They arrive in December and stay till early March. So they arrive in the December, that is in the winter season, winter time, and they stay till early March. Okay, so that's all about the chapter. If you have any doubts, please let us know. For more videos, do like, share, subscribe.